If you create, consume, or manage power, PowerTest25 is where you need to be. The increasing demand for energy is an opportunity and a threat. It's growing at a pace we are all racing to keep up with. And so, how do we keep up? How do we get ahead of it? Staying informed, educating our people, educating ourselves are ongoing challenges we are all struggling with. PowerTest25 is an annual conference that should be on your calendar. PowerTest is presented by NETA, the International Electrical Testing Association. It will help you prepare for the future of the electrical power industry, renewable energy growth, commercial growth, the buildup of manufacturing, transit, telecom, data center expansion, and the potential for artificial intelligence all present opportunities across the electrical power industry. The question is, how to prepare to take advantage of them. The PowerTest25 conference is a place to learn. It's a great chance to exchange ideas with experts, meet with colleagues and clients, and build on what you already know. Talk about your approach to the future. Stay ahead of the game rather than play catch-up. So plan your trip to Orlando. Register today for PowerTest25.